Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bringing another Enigma of Sepia. This is like very important stuff that I'm gonna be telling you. The good thing is in this game you can reset the skills of the character. You can reset the levels of the character because you can do reincarnation. So I'm gonna show you reincarnation here. My suggestion is try to have not that big of a disparity within your five characters that you're gonna be leveling up. Because like if you put them on the Hero Museum, I'll show you first here. You have three free chance daily to reset the levels so that you can play around with your character so that like you can redistribute the levels moving forward, because like if the disparity is quite big you might not get the CP, and some of the it's not gonna be opening up for you. For example, your emblem will not open up, your Kabbalah tree will not open up, your gears will be opening up for you anyways um if you've leveled them up quite nicely. So for example here, if you've leveled them up, the gears will open up for you. You need to open up this one, okay? So my suggestion, Kabbalah tree, don't touch this one first because you need quite a lot of memories in this one, because see, you need 50, which is not a great idea. Much preferred to have at least tier 7 characters. So I have a tier 9 Sasuke, almost tier 7 Lumia, and almost tier 7 Giselle, all free to play at the moment. Free to play. Like technically I spent 0.99 cents. Okay, that's it. $1. Because like in the past I've done idle gacha. I still play figure fantasy like because I'm appreciating the game. I try to support the game just like a dollar, and I've been playing that one for 4 years and it's still running. I'm really happy with what I invested. $1 for 4 years. That's quite an investment. Hopefully this one will stay longer, but we will see. We will see how they do it until like they get flagged by somebody else. But like if my suggestion is don't spend on this. Just try to enjoy. Even as a free to play, even without any investment, you'll reach this goal, okay? Always remember, I made a video telling you guys to level up, reach quest up until 50, quest 150, quest 200, and then everything will open up. From there, everything opens up. The temples opens up, the tech labs opens up, Star Chain opens up. Like, you go like more than 500, your treasure opens up as well. So like you need to go level up your quest moving forward, and by doing so you will be getting higher and higher progression with regards to your levels, as well as it's fairly important to distribute your levels, okay? So if you go to your dark tower here, as you can see, you go to your arena here, this guy, I know he's level 52, not that far away from me, doesn't matter about the level. So look at this. So the disparity is quite huge. See, there's two 150s here, and there's a 200 here, and there's like 100 leveled character here. They will not open up the extra stats for your character. It's preferably just try to redistribute it. See what opens up. Preferably, if you open up the gear, go to your gear, very important. And then if you open up more, you open up the scrolls. And then from there on out, just grind the gears on quests, and also very important to grind the gears here as well so that you will have higher CP. So these are where you get the gears as well, or you get rewards in the gears. So here, the Corsi, this would be, you're gonna be getting the gears here, and it will increase more CP moving forward. Plus, at level 200, guys, level 200, it opens up your constellation. I call it constellation. So when you go here, not here. When you go here in the temple, goes to your star chain. This also gives quite a high amount of level up. So if you remove this, see, 78k, and then if you equip this, quick equip, that's plus 78k. So this one opens up at level 200. So try to redistribute your levels. Try not to have a big disparity between your characters, because your 5 leveled up characters is very important in your home mausoleum. Okay, hero mausoleum. Your top 5 characters will get the same levels as once you put your characters here down below. See, as you can see, I have 5 level 160 here. So all of the characters I'm gonna be putting here are gonna be 160. So that opens up the gears, that opens up everything for them. So try to reach at least 160. Slowly but surely try to level up your characters. Don't put a big disparity between the levels, and hopefully that helps you out moving forward. So at least I've gotten like 1.2 mil already with my CP by doing that kind of like style of leveling up. So, like, just distribute them slowly but surely. Try to level up. My suggestion is don't open up the Kabbalah tree. I made a mistake on opening up the Kabbalah tree here. I should have made my Kakashi to like star level 7 already, but like unfortunately I accidentally clicked this. I'm not quite sure if I'll like, you can't even undo this. This is the thing. You can undo. Maybe if I can, like, nah, you can't undo this. Like, you can't undo this. I'm not quite sure if like, if I undo this, everything comes back. Hopefully we'll see. Hopefully it, see, as you can see, free resets. Hopefully we're just gonna be do this one on stream, not on stream, on a video. If I reset, is the Kabbalah tree going back? It's there, unfortunately. It's gonna get stuck there. So be careful. I suggest don't open up the Kabbalah tree yet. Just like open up, level up your gears. See, as you can see, the gears have not been leveled up here. So if you level up to 29, so breakthrough. Let's break through, come on. So breakthrough. So be careful, don't open the Kabbalah tree, okay? That's a big boo-boo because you're gonna be spending quite a lot of like memories or copies of your character, which I don't really suggest, okay? So as a free to play. So opens up like 149. Like, let's break through 150, breakthrough again. And then we'll go to 160. So see, 160 back again. And then I'll just equip all of my gears, opens up, and then equip my scrolls with which levels up as well. And then emblems, need to put up my emblems as well. See, look at that big of a like boost. Big of a boost. So I'm putting up, this is my go-to. Kakashi is my go-to character. So that's why I'm leveling up quite significantly. So that's what happens. So try to not upgrade the Kabbalah tree yet. Try to focus on trying to like at least tier 7 this your characters at the moment. That's the my tip. And then proceed accordingly after. Okay? Proceed accordingly after, because again, you still need to do the quest here, which you need to have at least 7-star character. That's what I'm doing currently. Okay? So I'm currently doing min-maxing stuff that like I was maximizing my opportunity here. As you can see, the collector here own 6-7-star heroes. I'm almost there. So I'm almost there. Multitasking this one while looking at the resources, which I do really appreciate. This game is they give us quite a lot, but again, you need to manage your resources quite efficiently, or else you're gonna be not maximizing the CP that you're gonna be getting. See what happened here? See, I didn't really maximize my CP. I need to like maximize this one more. So let's put up my emblems here. Oh my god. I think I didn't put the gears properly. Anyways, that's like 1.1 mil from 2.2. I think I made a boo-boo on something here. I just need to change something. But like, yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe again. This is 2000 Gaming. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.